Hi everybody, so this is my presentation. I decided to do a Prezi presentation and I called it a classroom management plan that actually works, and I made it to look similar to what a newspaper would look like. So I titled it The Laverne Times by Ruiz. So here's a little bit about my intro and what will go down on the first day of school, some of the stuff I will have ready to go, and what to do on the first day of school. So teach, rehearse, reinforce will be very important since the get-go to have your policies set in place and what you expect of each student. So the routine, taking attendance, what I would like to do, my agenda, and I did focus my presentation from kindergarten to third grade since that's where I would want to teach. My opening assignment, discussing class, so dismissing class on what procedures will be taking place when dismissing students. Procedures for students, so what to do when collecting notes, what to do when organizing homework, so the homework binders will be used, or I mean folders. Here's some pictures of what examples of what that would look like. Classroom tardiness, paper headings, absent folder bin, what students will do with unfinished classroom assignments, so there will also be a bin for that. Missing assignment slip, and classroom transitions. So how will I transition from one assignment to another, what to do to keep students on task, and the infraction notice. So in case a student is misbehaving, the infraction notice will be given to them, and there will be a warning. And if it consists, there will be a second warning and maybe a phone call home. Finish work early, so what students could do when they finish work early. Unfinished class assignments, so there'll be a bin for that. And here's a little quote I throw in: by doing what you love, you inspire and awaken the hearts of others. Okay, so procedures. So what to do for emergencies, what to do when the phone is ringing. So how to get students' attention using attention grabbers or a bell. Restroom breaks, so having a pass for that. Ways to maintain orderly desks and also classroom jobs. Collecting and returning papers, so having a paper monitor. Procedures for instruction, so I will do class discussions and we'll use many different tools. This is one of the most common ones. It's a craft sticks to call names. Taking a test. Procedures for working in groups. What to do when you're reading a textbook, or rules for Nook area or the classroom library. Procedures for correcting students' work. And how to cultivate social skills in the classroom. Okay, so here's procedures for the teacher. This is a lot more. So news story orientation, the angry student, the death of the student, and how to deal with the death of a parent. Procedures for substitute teachers, so having a sub binder, a packet for teacher's aid, and here's some more: parent volunteers, classroom visitors, back to school night, parent teacher conferences, home and school connection. So classroom websites are useful for this. Technology in the classroom, and how to go green in the classroom. Okay, and then when working with special needs students, how am I going to make procedures for my classroom to run effectively? Okay, so I chose this quote: fair isn't everybody gets the same thing. Fair is everybody getting what they need in order to be successful. More quotes. So having consistency in my procedures, communicating with parents, handling student anxiety, and some strategies for effective management preventative. And my first day of school script, I made it pretty brief. I did add a little bit about myself, what I like to do for fun, and so on. And that is all. I hope you all enjoy this presentation. Thank you so much.